A provisional patent application, or PPA, serves as a crucial first step for inventors seeking to establish an early effective filing date for their inventions with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO. This allows for patent pending status and provides 12 months to file a non-provisional patent application. LegalZoom offers services to assist with the preparation and filing of PPAs. This explanation will delineate the general process involved in their provisional patent review service, focusing on the core steps and considerations. Process breakdown. Information gathering. The process commences with the inventor providing detailed information about their invention. This includes a comprehensive description, any relevant drawings or diagrams, and any supporting documentation that clarifies the invention's functionality and scope. LegalZoom typically uses online questionnaires and document upload portals to facilitate this information transfer. Document preparation. Based on the provided information, LegalZoom's personnel will draft a provisional patent application. This involves compiling the invention's description into a format that adheres to the USPTO's basic requirements for a PPA. The focus here is on adequately describing the invention to establish a filing date, not on the formal claim drafting required for a non-provisional patent. Review and revision. LegalZoom generally provides the inventor with the drafted PPA for review. This allows the inventor to ensure the application accurately reflects their invention and to suggest any necessary revisions. This stage is critical for the inventor to carefully examine the prepared documents. Filing with the USPTO. Once the inventor approves a PPA, LegalZoom handles the electronic filing of the application with the USPTO. LegalZoom handles the payment of the required USPTO filing fees. Confirmation and documentation. After filing, LegalZoom provides the inventor with confirmation of the filing and the application number assigned by the USPTO. This documentation serves as proof of the established filing date. Tip: prioritize detailed disclosure. When providing information to LegalZoom or any patent professional, the level of detail is paramount. Thoroughly document every aspect of your invention, including its functionality, structure, and any potential variations. The more comprehensive your disclosure, the stronger your provisional patent application will be. Remember, the PPA's primary purpose is to secure an early filing date, and a detailed disclosure minimizes the risk of later disputes regarding the scope of your invention.